EOS is a platform designed to allow developers to build decentralized apps known as dApps. This project's goal is to relatively simple to make it as straightforward as possible for programmers to embrace the blockchain technology and ensure that the network is easier to use than its rivals. Now let's check out the market information, guys. Currently trading at $2.42 and has a $2.37 billion market cap. Ranked number 48 on the list, and its ticker is EOS. Let's see what markets you guys can trade, hodl short, get some leverage. You guys want to go all risky with it? They're on Binance, Huobi Global, Get.io, Bybit, BitThumb, Coinbase Exchange, KuCoin, Bitfinex. What else? Kraken. Let's see, Poloniex. And let's see, Gate.io. So once again, top 100 cryptocurrencies. They are pretty much is available on every platform. Let's check out its price ratings, guys. So Symmetry gave it a B- as of July 2nd, 2019, and Stable I'll give it a double B. So it's in the top 80% of cryptocurrencies, which is a very good plus to being part of a cryptocurrency that has a rating versus other cryptocurrencies that don't. Not saying that this is better. It sits on the category of I can put more money into it versus one that doesn't. But it doesn't mean it's not better than the ones out there, because then there's like what, 17,000 plus cryptocurrencies. So not all of them are gonna have a price rating. So here's some news about a white hat hacker prompt invitation saved on Coinbase. So you guys check out some of the news. Came out a few days ago. Inside blockchain developers' mind, can EOS deliver a killer social dApp? So some news about that. EOS platform reveals plans to pursue a $4.1 billion lawsuit against Block.one. Check that out. Came out 5 days ago. So if you guys want some relevant news, check out CoinMarketCap's news. Let's head to their website, guys. So why EOS? EOS is a highly performant open source blockchain platform. If you guys want to look at the website, very clean, very easy to find information. If you guys want to look at more of their white paper, their community, their news and events, please check that out. Or about their grant program that just already closed, if you want to read more about that. Let's head to their Twitter page, okay? So the Twitter has 263,000 followers. Here's that program I was talking about when it comes to the grant donations are closed. You got to read more about that. You guys can look at the link. Go to their Twitter page and find out more. Also, follow me on Twitter as Andre J. McClendon. Talk a lot of political stuff that I don't do so much on the channel anymore. But if you want to get me about that, we can have that conversation there. You know, do some retweets and stuff. But let's head to the price prediction, guys. So, price prediction wise, guys, this thing has been also downtrending from its some recent highs of $14 and down to $2 and some change. Let's break this down, okay? So here's the current price, and this straight off, it looks like that it might hold this position. The weekly has been this might close out as a green bar, and if it does, it might close out above this and build upon that structure. But if it doesn't, we might see some much lower prices in EOS's future. Let me see. Let me do this zone right here. Now, give me a second. Really? Can I just stop doing that? Ugh, quite annoying. So it bounced off this support right here, guys, and we're on the weekly. Just letting you guys know, and it bounced off that support, and it might, if it doesn't hold this trend and it doesn't hold it by closing above it and beating this previous high and it heads down lower, we can definitely see it breaking under the $2 and heading below $2 down to this support zone, which is like $1.89. And if it goes down lower, it might take out this wicks. You guys want to be prepared, because these wicks might be short term and bounce off that support to go to a new high. So a good possibility. New buyers or original buyers coming in for another order, and they're just capitalizing off that low. Alright, so we'll zoom into the daily. So if you see what I'm talking about, like we may pull back, head down lower, or it might bounce. But for me, I need confirmations. I need some more information. So I'm gonna go into my fancy arrows. I'm going to place it above here. And this is my first price alert. It's going to be about $2.71. That's also going to be price prediction. $2.71. It needs to hold this position and break above it, and then close some candles above it, building some structure. Then it can see like an optimal entry because it broke the trend. The trend is, you trended your friend, break the trend. Now it's reversing to go higher. If it doesn't, I don't want to be in the trend by entering because they did like one candle, and it might head down lower to the other prices, like $1.76 or even lower. I don't know for exact thing, but it might do that. So, and I don't want to be in that order. I want to be in that in the way of it, because it might do a wick and then head back higher from there. I don't know. But the main thing is, I think it's gonna hit $2.70, and then possibly bounce above it. If it doesn't, it might hold a little bit and head down lower. Price prediction, guys, $2.70. That's my plan. I'm gonna do a price prediction and wait. Price prediction and wait. Price alert and wait. And then once it builds some structure above it, then I can see about entering, because more structure means more orders, means more people getting in, more people are seeing this, and then it might head up higher from there. That's my analysis, guys. If you have questions or comments, please let me know. Let's get to my website. If you guys want a custom indicator, EA, or trading robot, let me know. We can have that discussion. If you guys want to learn more about economy statistics, learn more about that, let me know. Let's see. Go back to here. See, go to economy and stats. You can check the United States, stuff like that. It's almost done, guys. For this page, there's a lot more to do. But guys, that's it, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me how I did in this video. Tell me if you like EOS, if you're getting into EOS or not, why you dislike it. But drop a comment below and we can have the conversation. I'll see you guys in the next video.